a little cold this morning. It is about 6:45, maybe 7 o'clock by now. The Build Life Barn Door Bathhouse is getting some concrete today, and I'm excited. The guys said they got a truck at 7:30, so I'm gonna run down there and see if they're here. Let those guys get their concrete poured. They don't need us to sit there and watch them, although we did for quite a while. Pretty fun to watch it go down, and my dad was a concrete guy for 48 years. We were all the peanut gallery for sure, but they're doing a great job. We'll let them get that concrete done. Dad is gonna grout the shower, so I'm back here at the cabin. We've just been dipping water out of the creek for mixing things and washing tools and stuff, but now for the grout, we want some clean water, so I'm gonna get some out of the bathtub here at the cabin. We'll go down there, they'll get started grouting, and I've got to kind of clean the kitchen up and get it ready to screw the cabinets together. I remade the countertop at home. It was 9 inches too short the last time we worked on it, so I've got the countertop remade. Hopefully it fits this time. I want to get the cabinets secured, countertop on, and the sink installed today, and we'll be ready to hook all the plumbing up, and this cabin will be pretty close to done. Now the key is to not spill it in the side-by-side on the way up. Well, Dad's about 2/3 done grouting in there. My brother did quite a bit of work in here the last time we were here, kind of insulating this little room. I'm gonna kill a couple cans of great stuff in here, see if we can't get her a little tighter. And we're just making like an insulated panel for here. I've got a light that'll clamp up there. And this flat panel here is like a space heater. So it's plugged in, it's got a little thermostat on it. It'll keep the water and stuff warm out here. I don't know if this cabin will be open all winter or not. We'll see how well it works. I guess if something freezes up and busts a pipe, then that might be it for winter. Oh boy, good enough for who it's for. What do I have to do? I gotta come back with some more bat insulation and see. Now for the moment of truth. That was 9 inches too short. I don't know what the heck happened. Yeah, I put another breadboard on here. This one already had one. Oh, yeah. And so I just put a huge one on there. It matches the eclectic rustic theme. 54.5. That's big. A lot big. Probably need to cut that off, huh? 45.5. Drum roll. Perfect. Clamps and a skill saw. .52 7/8. I think that's right. I'm gonna measure again. Why am I so scared to cut this thing? I've already cut it like 4 times. There's nothing. Made it.
Scout blades.
Those are Boy Scout blades?
Yeah, it's good for starting fires.
Oh. All right, we ready? We couldn't get the pipe to line up, so we pulled the kitchen back out. You bleeding from that PEX cutter?
Yeah, I picked it up by the blade.
We could do that too. You want to set the countertop in? 10, and we were 26 to the opening. That was from the floor.
Yeah.
So let's go 14 and 10, right? 24. Smells like a burning barn. Sawing out. Well, it's really out of square. Cool. Glad we didn't cut any off the back, huh? It's a little close there. Well, we could pull it out 1/2 inch and put another board in there, huh? On the other cabin, I took a 2-inch backsplash and put it behind there because the countertop was not as deep as the cabin. I don't have real good luck with live edge slab countertops. All right, since last we talked, we've been to the hardware store and a coffee shop. And now, I think we got everything we need to put the sink in. I'm gonna make a backsplash here because this corner, countertop, they are not the same. Normally you would scribe it and cut it, but ain't nobody got time for that. So, I'm gonna pull this fridge out of the way. I'm gonna put in 2 pieces of backsplash here. I got this old crummy looking barn wood, it'll be kind of cool. I'm gonna put them on and I'm gonna silicone this to the countertop. I'm gonna do this underside lip on the whole thing to hold it in place. We're gonna silicone the sink in place, and then I'm going to touch up this end with some polyurethane, and then I think we're gonna let it dry overnight. Come back, we'll put the drawers in, hook the sink up, and blah, blah, blah. So we can get in there. Oh, I gotta put a cover on there too. That's good. Hey, I found the scrubber we were looking for. Getting down to slim pickings on this stuff for sure. Look at that ugly thing. Been chewed on by a horse. Or whatever horses do to it. Nice. Alright, caulk her in, do a little touch up here and there. It's coming together. I don't even have it in the caulk gun. I already got it on my shirt. I've never done that before, but that needs to be like a permanent part of the repertoire. I don't know if it has any kind of effect on the urethane. Can't imagine, that stuff's like shell. Moving to a different brand of caulk. Wow. And I mean, wow, we had a very productive day today. I am super excited. I said it before, my dad was a concrete guy for almost 50 years. And so these guys came up and they framed this up. They don't have proper stakes. They didn't have enough stakes. It was kind of janky. And you think, there was no plastic here. It is steel mesh. Okay. I said, I seen their work, on Facebook. Looked pretty good. I have faith. We'll give them the benefit of the doubt. Nobody likes people lording over them and saying, hey, you're not doing that right. So we'll check it out in the morning. When I got here this morning, he said, well, I think I got concrete about 7:30. I came down here 6:45. They had about 30 or 40 more stakes on it, plastic down. The mesh was in there. I was like, all right, these guys will get it done. Man, they ran an edger around the entire thing. Didn't even need to do that. And this thing is so smooth. It looks like glass. It looks like it's wet. It is, the concrete's still soft, but it is not wet. So I think we're going to put a coat of sealer on this and call that the floor. It is, wow, really impressed. These guys did a great job. So they're coming back tomorrow, saw cut it, and strip their forms and stuff. I don't know if we'll get any footage of that, but I'm super happy. I didn't even know if we could get this in before winter. And here we are. It was 65 and sunny today. Perfect weather for pouring concrete. This is great. I'm excited. Dad and I got the kitchen in. He's been working on, we got this little widget bathroom sink that goes in next to the shower. The entire bathroom is like 3 foot by 7 foot with a 3x3 shower in it. So the toilet and the sink, that sink's like 8 inches by 16 inches. And I think we got it figured out. So we got the kitchen ready. Tomorrow we'll get the plumbing hooked up to it, put the doors and drawers back in. And man, I can actually set things up. I am beyond excited. We're kind of done with like the hard work, the laborious stuff, the tricky whatever. Now we'll be putting some pieces together tomorrow, and then it's cleaning and hanging pictures, and I'd say the fun part, the easy part. So anyways, I'm super happy. You couldn't tell. This has gone great. I'm excited for what we got next. This will be obviously our next build because we've already got the concrete in, but we got to finish the other one up first. And then I think Tully and his guys hopefully come out here and get this framed up with me. Hope you guys will watch. We'll see you on the next one. I don't know how to close this out other than I'm super happy. This is great. Thanks for watching. I got a cabin to finish. Right now I got dinner to eat.